Them. I'm sorry to say this. And some of them be like, I don't want to be black. I don't want to be white. But it's not that I'm black like that too. But it's not as if I want to be fair like that too. But it's not, you don't know what I don't know what you mean. If I don't know what you mean. It's like I'm dark, but I don't want to be white too. I don't want to be white too, but I'm too dark. I'm too dark, but I don't want to be white. So, hello there, it's Nami Secretary again, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being in my past videos. Thank you for subscribing, and I promise you're going to see lots and lots and lots of me on this channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. So, if you're new to my channel, this is Naomi Secrets. Here we talk about skincare formulation, skincare tips, and the likes. This is where we give you all the juicy details about skincare. Here the gist is so deep. You need to stay glued to this channel, subscribe, and always turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified. So today I want to talk about best oils, best oil for dark skinned people. I have lots and lots of clients that will come to me and say, oh, I'm dark skinned, I'm caramel, I'm hot chocolate, I don't want to bleach my skin. And some people are even skeptical. The moment they say that I'm fair, they'll be like, oh, maybe she's only selling skincare product for fair people. No, we sell for all skin type and skin color. So of course you might add a little bit of things and it just make them go white, or tones of their skin, and most of them do not like it. And some of them I'm sorry to say this, and some of them be like, I don't want to be black, I don't want to be white, but it's not that I'm black like that too. But it's not as if I want to be fair like that too. But it's not, you don't know what I don't know what you mean. If I don't know what you mean. It's like I'm dark, but I don't want to be white too. I don't want to be white too, but I'm too dark. I'm too dark, but I don't want to be white. So today I'm going to give you the of oils, list of oils that you can add to your clients, to your dark skinned client product, to their lotion, or that you can, even sell to them as their body oil and stuff, and you can also add it in the formulation of their lotion. So I'm going to give you, I have about 10 of them. Yes, I have about 10 that is going to, if you want to give them this caramel tone, like it's going to tone up their skin very nicely, no bleaching anywhere, but it's going to tone up their skin, give them that glow. And if the person is extremely dark, it's going to work perfectly for the person because it's just going to glow up this person's skin. And for some of them that want extra, but they don't want extra, so it's still going to work perfectly for them. So number one I have on my list is beauty series oil. You might have heard about beauty series oil. That oil is so good. The first time I used that oil was in 2020, and it was just super good. It was just, I used it in formulating a body oil for, in fact, for a fair skin person, because the person only said she wanted a glowing skin. So, and you can also use it for your clients, your fair skin client that are only looking out for, to maintain their skin color. They don't want to bleach, they don't want to, they don't want more, they just want to glow up their skin. Now, I'm not saying bleaching is okay. Please don't bleach your skin because the side effects is not good, bro. So I'm just saying that if you have clients that are dark skin, caramel, and the likes, and even fair skin, they are looking out to maintain their skin color, this oil I'm going to mention is very, very okay for them. Beauty series, I'm going to post the picture of every oil that I mentioned on the screen, so you're going to see what it looks like. Beauty series is a very, very nice oil, very, very nice. I love it. I so much love it. It is easily absorbed into the skin. It's okay, it's super good, but it is quite expensive. Not too expensive, but it is quite expensive. And another one is carrot oil. Yes, carrot, the natural carrot oil. And oil is very, very good. It's very, very, especially when you're making product for kids. Especially when you're making product for kids. Carrot oil is super nice. It glows their skin. It tones it up very nicely. A dark skin person can use it. A light skin person can use it. It's just so good. It's so good. So you can also add carrot oil to your skincare formulation for that skin person or fair skin person that are looking out to maintain their skin. Another one is labajanese oil. I'm going to post the picture right here. Labajanese oil is this oil. There was this time I tried it, and it has a very strong smell. It has a very, very strong, like it's very strong, that if you use labajanese oil in your product, you might not need to add fragrance, because it has this very smell, and it's going to, the smell is going to overpower every other thing that you put in your lotion. It's just that strong, and it's very, very good for glowing skin. It's very, very nice. And there's this other one, Edgard oil. Post the picture here so you will see what it looks like. It's so, so beautiful. Also, there's this another one, is Secret Beauty. Now Secret Beauty is similar to Beauty series, but do not get them confused. Beauty, I'm going to post the picture of Beauty series here, what it looks like. Then I'll post the picture of that Secret Beauty. They have the same shape of bottle, but I think the color of the cap is different. It looks the same, but it is not the same. And it is also okay, it's also good. I tried it once or so. I tried it and I used it with Beauty series, and it came out really, really nice. It came out really, really nice. You can use this oil also in your skincare formulation. Then another, the next one is eel oil style clear. I'm going to post the picture so you will see what it looks like. Eel oil style clear, I've used that once also, and it's really, really good. I love the oil also. It is just perfect. Then the last that I'm going to mention now, they are my favorites. They are my favorite. Every other oil that I've mentioned, they are good and all of that, but these two are my favorite. This, okay, I'm going to mention my second best first, then I'm going to mention my best, then my favorite, the most, like the best of them, to me, the best of them. So the second best is Action Jolie oil. This Action Jolie oil, the first time I used it, after that time that I've been stuck. When I say stuck, like I'm stuck with it. I've been stuck with the oil because it's just, I just love it. I love it. I love it so much. I love it that if I really want to use Action Jolie, if I don't see Action Jolie oil, Action Jolie tonic, I'll post the picture, you'll see what it looks like. If I don't see Action Jolie, I might not use any other substitutes. I might want to wait for my supplier to restock before I use it. I love it that much. I love that oil that much. It's very, very okay. Now the best of them all, to me, is Nature Secret oil. Nature Secret oil is just, the best to me. And I think it's one of the cheapest among what I mentioned. It's one of the cheapest. It comes in 100 ml. I mentioned it in one of my past videos, and I'm still going to post the picture again. It comes in variation. They have the green one, the green bottle, the white bottle, and the orange bottle, right? It's so, so good. Nature Secret is so, so good, but it is quite unfortunate that there are a lot of fakes out there in the market. Like, there are a lot of fake Nature Secret oil in the market. So, but if you can lay your hands on the authentic one, if you can lay your hands on the original one, Nature Secret is your go-to any day, anytime. Any day, anytime. And if you want to know the authentic, there's this test that I do. If you drop a little of Nature Secret oil on your skin and you rub it, it's going to like get hot. That particular place will get hot immediately. Like, no hot, it's not going to really burn you, but it's just like the place will get really, really, really warm. Okay, but if you get the fake and you rub it on your skin, it's going to be warm also, but not as the original one. So that's just the tip. That's one of the tips that I use to know if it is fake or authentic. So I hope with this video I've been able to hear someone out there. So if you have used any of this oil in the past, kindly drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know your opinion. Let me know your experience with any of this oil that I've mentioned, or if you have any oil that you have been using for for glowing skin, for your dark skin clients, or if you have been using it on yourself, let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to try out any of this oil that I've mentioned, let me know also. Please do not forget to like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.